remember a couple of things. I know last month we had a great assembly, and this month I'm sure will be great, but we have to remember that a lot of you are going to get an award. Some of you had a turn last time. Some of you will have a turn this time, but is everybody going to have a turn this time? No, we're not going to give out 140 awards today. So not everybody's going to have a turn, but you will have at least one turn this year sometime. It just may not be today. So can you promise to be okay? Yeah. Okay. If you promise, then that's okay. Okay, we are going to get started with our Terrific Citizen Award, and we have our friend, this is Miss Sonia, and she is with the Kiwanis Club, and just recently they've started coming in on Wednesdays to read to us in our classroom, so you may have had a turn for that, and you may not yet, but at some point you'll have a special reader come to your class, and they are members of our community that help people in the community. And so they know how important it is to be a good citizen here at school. So they sponsor us, and all of our terrific citizens will get a t-shirt, and they'll also get a certificate. So I'm gonna call your names, and what you have to do is you have to listen for your first and your last name, okay? And sometimes if you go by a nickname, I'll have your fancy name on the paper, so make sure you're listening for your whole name, all right? Okay, our first terrific citizen this month is Aaron Daniels. And I use his fancy name. Our next terrific citizen is Emma Dubinsky. Alice Longcore. Thomas Heineman. Amelia Hilbrandt. Oh, don't want to trip on my cord. Shaylin Johnson. Kalia Stewart. And then last but not least, we have a teacher we want to recognize who is a terrific citizen, and that is Mrs. Cecil. You'll get a Sonic gift card, but I don't have it picked up yet. Yay! You guys have done a great job being happy for your friends. Let's give them one more big round of applause. All right, great job. Now make sure that whenever you get an award, when you sit down, just lay those in your lap or on the floor. Okay? All right, our next group of awards are the math awards. And it's so important that we have good math skills and that we do our best. And so the teachers have been watching you to see who likes doing math, who helps their friends when we're doing math, who always does their best. And so we have some people in our community that work at a bank, and they know how important it is that we have good math skills to work at the bank so they can count all the money. And so these friends are from Community Bank of Harrisonville, and they're going to give everyone a certificate and A bank. What do our banks look like this year? Oh, they're the pigs. They look like little piggy banks, and they have a gold dollar coin inside. They're really fancy. All right, our first math winner is Albert Obermiller. Nathaniel Jones. Jonah McGee. Van Bollinger. Ryan Nolan. Leo Parrott. And last but not least, our mathematician of the month from Mrs. Witherspoon's class is Weston Barton. You guys have to go get in our picture. Oh. Yeah. Okay. All right. Great job to all of our math award winners. Proud of you. Math is one of my favorite subjects. I'm so proud of you for doing so well. All right, great job. Let's give them one big round of applause. Thank you. Okay. All right, next we have Mrs. Malone is going to share with you who won PE awards. But you've got to look this way and listen. Make sure you put all of your prizes that you just won on the floor. All right, give Mrs. Malone your attention.
All right, my friends, in PE, we've been learning about how to do a relay race and working on teamwork, and that's what I've been looking for the last couple weeks. The first award winner is Kalia Stewart. Ryan Campos. Noah Connor. Cooper Saunders. Matthias Jones. Kinley Call. And Savea Pollard.
Artists of the Month, so listen for your name. Brody Ross. Aaliyah Medrano. Tommy Holland. Ava Holly. Haley McKernan.
some musicians of the month. Mary Jane Howery. Lorelei Ray. Abby Stewart. Aubrey Endicott. Well, make sure you're listening so you hear your name. Henry Stevens. Charlie Frank. And Aubrey Myers. Congratulations, those award winners. I want to say to all of you kindergartners and all of you teachers too, thank you for participating in our school's Red Ribbon Week this week, as well as our district food drive. I see lots of yellow and red and blue and green out there, and that's what this week's all about. Being kind to each other, going and being kind, slowing down and being kind to ourselves, stop and make good choices, and being a wildcat. That's what Red Ribbon Week is all about. And yesterday on the first day of our food drive, you guys brought in over 2 blue barrels full of food donations. So that is so awesome, and I know there's more out there today too. I'm here to present the Fantastic Friend Award. The Fantastic Friend is somebody that your teacher notices that you're being kind and helpful and friendly at school every day. Avery Messplay. Sophia Cope. Ellie Hutzel. Millie McLanahan Freeland. Xander Anderson. McKenna Murphy. Colt Litchfield. Red Ribbon Week yesterday. It was also a Bright Teachers My 42 Day, where teachers wear these green shirts, and if you're a kid who has one, you wear a green shirt like this too. Every month I pick 1 or 2 friends, just out of a hat. It's a raffle for who wins that shirt. And this month, the My 42 t-shirt winners are Hank Greathouse, But there's another way that all of you participate in the My 42 Day, and that is by bringing just a penny or up to 42 cents for our My 42 coin drive. So I want to give a big thank you to teachers and then also Mrs. Malone and Mrs. Dubray for counting our coins from yesterday on our My 42 Day. Our school's total amount, so all together, we had $138.18. Every penny counts. So give yourselves a round of applause. Okay. And the winner of our My 42 coin drive is this month is Mrs. Bross's class with they had $33.88 just in coins. That's awesome. Next month, you can participate in our Blue Barrel Drive from Bright Futures by bringing in a pair of winter pajamas to keep kids warm when it gets cold outside. Thank you, guys.
All right, congratulations to all of our winners today. You did a great job. Boys and girls, what I want you to do right now is to stay seated, voices off, listen to your teacher, and they'll tell you when to stand up and head back to class. And everybody have a great day.